Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete chart in TradingView. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in TradingView, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Over time, traders may accumulate numerous charts for different assets or time frames. The practical move is to delete charts that are no longer relevant or actively monitored. That would help reduce clutter and keeps the workspace organized. Now, for you to do it, all you're going to do is hover to Products, click on Super Charts, and from there, go to the chart that you wanted to take the action into. Now here, the next step is, for example, you're now on the platform and you put in so many lines here. Okay, and maybe something like this one. So basically, your entire interface is cluttered with all these data. Now, for you to be able to delete the chart here in TradingView, all you're gonna do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. Instead of, removing this one by one, remove drawings, remove indicators. It's a lot. It's gonna take you a lot of time. It's time consuming. It's counterproductive. I need you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. Click on the trash icon here. You see you have three options. You can remove three drawings. All right. You can remove all of these and you are right back to where you started from with a clean interface on your chart. All right. Now, after that, essentially, this is also a good way to remove all drawings and indicators from the chart. All right. Now, we have a separate video on how to delete and remove all drawings and indicators from the chart using the mobile app. So you might want to check that out on our channel. Basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.